Hello students. Welcome to Teach You Smart. Today, let us continue our journey through number system. Today, let us see simplification of the numbers of the form nth root of a, or a raised to 1 by n, using laws of exponents. In our previous session, we learned some laws of exponents for real numbers. Let a and b be any positive real numbers, and p and q be any rational numbers. Then, first, a raised to p multiplied by a raised to q equals a raised to p plus q. Second, a raised to p by a raised to q equals a raised to p minus q. Third, a raised to p whole raised to q equals a raised to pq. Fourth, a raised to p multiplied by b raised to p equals ab whole raised to p. Fifth, a by b whole raised to minus p by q equals b by a whole raised to p by q. We know that nth root of a equals a raised to 1 by n, where a is a positive real number. For example, cube root of 2 equals 2 raised to 1 by 3. Now consider 4 raised to 3 by 2. We can write 4 raised to 3 by 2 in two ways. First, 4 raised to 3 by 2 equals 4 raised to 1 by 2 whole cube equals root 4 whole cube equals 2 cube equals 8. Second, 4 raised to 3 by 2 equals 4 cube whole raised to 1 by 2 equals square root of 4 cube equals root 64 equals 8. Hence we can write a raised to m by n equals nth root of a whole raised to m equals nth root of a raised to m. Let us do some examples. Find the value of 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 raised to 3 by 4 equals 16 raised to 1 by 4 whole cube equals 2 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4 whole cube equals 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 whole cube equals 2 cube equals 8. That is 16 raised to 3 by 4 equals 8. Then, find the value of 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 raised to 2 by 5 equals 32 raised to 1 by 5 whole square equals 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5 whole square equals 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 1 by 5 whole square equals 2 square equals 4. That is 32 raised to 2 by 5 equals 4. Let's recall what we learned today. Simplification of the numbers of the form nth root of a, or a raised to 1 by n, Using laws of exponents. Before winding up, let's check how much you understood by doing an activity. Simplify. First, 125 raised to 1 by 3. Second, 9 raised to 3 by 2. That's all for now. See you all in next class.